Hey everyone, in recent weeks, there has been a lot of curiosity in the realme GT Neo6 SE, due to several stories that have surfaced regarding its features and specs. Realme just revealed the phone's appearance and the system-on-chip that powers this mid-range smartphone, formally confirming its existence. The revelation of the release date heightened anticipation to unprecedented levels. On April 11th, the GT Neo6 SE will make its formal premiere in China. Realme enthusiasts should mark their calendars for this event. Although pricing information is still pending, the impending launch means that we won't have to wait long to learn everything there is to know about this smartphone. One of the standout features of the GT Neo6 SE is its SoC, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, a robust upper mid-range chipset. While not on par with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this processor promises flagship-level performance, ensuring a smooth user experience. Appearance-wise, the GT Neo6 SE doesn't disappoint either. Sporting a slightly curved 6.78-inch screen with a high screen-to-body ratio, it boasts an LTPO panel delivering a crisp 1.5K resolution. The display's impressive 6000 nits peak brightness and 120Hz refresh rate promise vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Realme's teaser images have confirmed a dual-camera setup at the back and a centered punch-hole camera up front. Additional reported specs include up to 16 GB of LPDDR5x RAM, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, a hefty 5500 mAh battery, and support for blazing fast 100-watt charging. Detailed camera specs and other features are expected to be revealed soon, adding to the excitement surrounding this affordable yet promising smartphone. Tech aficionados won't have to wait long to learn everything there is to know about the realme GT Neo6 SE, even though pricing details are still being withheld due to the impending debut date. As the formal release draws near, check back for additional updates. Tech aficionados are anxiously awaiting further information and reviews to determine the realme GT Neo6 SE's actual capabilities as the release date approaches. Watch this space for more information about this intriguing entry into the mid-range smartphone segment. Thanks for watching, I hope you found this video helpful. I look forward to your comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.